Super Easy Drawings.
Hello everyone and welcome to the Super Easy Drawings channel. Today we are going to draw and color a cute shark. Let's start drawing. First, I draw the shape of its head, the cute eye, then the nose, and the mouth like this, with big pointy teeth. Let's continue with his body, the fin on his back, and his fins down here. Now let's draw his tail. Let's draw the bottom of the sea. We draw leafy aquatic plants. This reminds me of the Baby Shark song. Fantastic! Now I'm going to use this black marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible. Let's start coloring. I color his mouth with light red, light gray, dark gray, then light brown, finally, I use different shades of green for the plants around. Light green, dark green, green, and I draw wavy lines with this aquamarine blue marker. Dark blue. Very good! If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.